Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and will be studying at your places. In last video we started chapter 8 HCF and LCM. Okay, and we studied about the factors and the prime number and Prince number. Today I will just make you remind the factor, prime number, and along with I will just tell you the composite number and how to find out the prime numbers. Okay, in last video I told you what are the factors. Factors, all those numbers which divide the given number are called the factors. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These all numbers are the factor of 12 because these individual, each and every individual number is dividing the 12. Okay, 12 is divisible by the 1, 12 is divisible by the 2, 12 is divisible by the 3 and 12 is divisible by 4, 6 and 12 also. And I told you what are the prime numbers. The number like 2, 3 and 13. The number which are divisible by 1 and itself are called a prime number. The number which are divisible by 1 and itself. You can see here, and I told you yesterday also that 2 is divisible by only 1 and itself means 2. C is divisible by 1 and 3 and 13 is divisible by 1 and 13. So by this way you can see here all the prime number has only two factors. Means 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. C is divisible by 3 and 1 and 13 is divisible by 1 and 13. It means we can say that all the prime number has only two factors. Only two factors. Now, what are the composite number? If the number have more than two factors are called a composite number. Any number which have more than two factors. Now, just like a 4 is there. 4 is divisible by 1 also. 4 is divisible by 2 and 4 is divisible by 4 also. In prime number, the number is divisible by 1 in itself. But you can see here, this 4 is divisible by 1 and itself, but along with it is divisible by one more number, that is the 2. So there are three factors are there and it is more than 2. So composite number which have more than two factors are called a composite number. It means 4, 6, 8 and 10. These all are the composite number. 10. 10 is divisible by 1 and 10 and along with it is divisible by 2 and 5 also. So 10 has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are there and it is more than 2. So that's why it is written here the composite number which have more than two factors are called a composite number. Okay. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 and 15. These all are the composite number. Got it? And 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. These all are the prime number because it has these all numbers have the only two factors and these all numbers have more than two factors. Okay, so this is the difference between the prime number and composite number. Okay, if the question is saying that some number have given like the 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, some numbers are given and you have to find out the prime number and composite number. So what will you do? You will just find out the factor of all these. You can see here 11. 11 has only two factors, 1 and 11. And I told you in prime number, the number which is divisible by 1 in itself is called a prime number. So it is the 11 is the prime number. So that by this way we can find out the prime number. Now next 12 is there. 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Means 12 comes in all of these numbers table. Okay, 12 is divisible by all these numbers. So it is not a prime number. This is a composite number. I told you if a number which has more than two factors will be called a composite number. Now the 13 is the prime number. there, then composite number. And 15 is also composite number. So by this method, by this way you can find out the composite and the prime numbers. So now I am telling you how to find out the prime factors. Before this, look at here, this is the 12. Okay, and these are the factors of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These all are the factors of 12. Got it? And these all factors are the part of this, but in which prime and composite, both the factors are there. One is neither prime nor composite. It is neither prime nor composite. 2, it is the prime factor. 3 is prime factor. 4, 6 and 12, these are the composite factors, and these all prime and composite factors are the factor of 12. These all are the part of 12. Got it? Now I am telling you how to find out the prime factor by division method. Suppose 12 is there and we have to find the prime factor of 12. So how do you find out? By the division method. You will just write the 12. Okay, and you will divide this 12 by the smallest number except the 1. You will divide it by the smallest number. 2, 3, 4. First of all, you will divide it by the 2. When if it is not divisible by 2, then you will try by the 3. If it is not divisible by the 3, then you will try the 4, then 5, 6 and so on. Now we have written this 12. First of all, we will divide it by the smallest number, that is the 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Now this 6 is divisible by again 2. It is divisible by 3 also, but we will divide it by the 2 because it is divisible. So why we take the 3 instead of the 2? Now 2 3s are 6. Now this 3 is not divisible by 2. 3 is divisible by 1 or 3. So we will divide it by the 3 because I told you we will not divide any number by the 1. Now 3 comes up 3. Okay, now you can see here we have got these numbers 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2 and 3. So these are the prime factor of 12. Okay, these are only prime factor. Here no composite number is there. Here prime and composite are mixed. But when you have to find out only prime factor, then you will use this method. By this method, you will just find out. You will get the only prime numbers, prime factor of the 12. So 2, 2 and 3 are the prime factor. I told you these prime and the composite are the part of this. When you will multiply this, 2, 2 and 3 are the prime factor of the 12. When you will multiply together, you will again get the 2. Because these are the part of the 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Okay? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Again we have got the 12. So this is the method to find out the prime factor of any number. Now I am just doing one more example so that you will understand the better way. Suppose I am taking the 16. Okay, we have to find out the prime factor of 16. So again you will write 16 like this and you will divide it by the smallest number. That is the 2. 2 8s are 16. This 8 is again divisible by 2. 4s are. Okay. Now we will divide it 2. 2s are and again it is 2. 1s are 2. So the prime factor of this 2, 2, 2, 2. Only 2 has come in the prime factor of the 16. And when you will multiply it together, you will get a 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 8 to the Got it? Similarly, if you want to find out the prime factor of 15, okay, same method you will use. In 12, you see that 2 and 3, two type of prime factor were there. 12, okay, 2 and 3. And in 16, you saw that only 2 was there. Only 2 was there. 2 into 2 into 2 means one type of prime factor was there. Now the 15. It is divisible by 3. I told you we always divide by the smallest number. We always divide by the smallest number. So it is divisible by the 3. It is not divisible by 2. So we cannot divide. It by the 2. So that's why we have taken the 3 instead of the 2. That is the 3 5 the 15. And now this 5 is divisible by only 5. 5 another 5. Okay, so only 3 and 5, two type of prime factor are there. Means 15 is equal to 3. These are the prime factor of 15. And when you will multiply it together, you again get the 15. Got everyone? So this is the method to find out the prime factor of any number, whatever is given. And today I told you the prime number, again factors and the composite number, how to identify the prime and the composite. If two factors are there, then prime. If more than two factors are there, composite number. Okay. So that's it for today. In next video, we will just understand how to find out the HCF. Okay. So till then, you just keep studying. Thank you.